A policeman was taken into custody and is facing charges stemming from an incident at a funeral in southern Clarendon on Sunday. Now, the policeman was arrested after reportedly behaving aggressively to his colleagues who prevented him and other mourners from performing a dangerous stunt. Details in this report. Chaos at a funeral caused by a person who should otherwise be helping to maintain order, a policeman. A man seen here dressed in a black suit tried to outsprint his colleagues who were heavily armed and dressed in their uniform. The on-duty police officers were chasing the man after he was behaving boisterously, disorderly, and in a threatening manner at this burial. Eventually, he was caught and arrested. Police sources say he's in custody and could be charged soon. We understand the drama started while the off-duty policeman was attending the funeral for one of two murdered men in Rhymesbury in southern Clarendon on Sunday. The deceased man was a motorcycle lover, and his loved ones thought about hoisting his casket on their bikes as they led the body to the grave. The police intervened and denied that request, explaining that it would be dangerous. That intervention did not go down well with their off-duty colleague turned mourner, who reportedly started behaving aggressively and boisterously to some police officers, including senior ranking officers who were present. An order was eventually given to arrest the off-duty policeman, and this is how they ended up in a foot race. Even our correspondent was left flattened as the racing parties bumped into those in their path. The policeman, we understand, is attached to an operations formation in Kingston. It is also reported that he's a former soldier turned policeman. It is not clear how this incident will impact on his job as a policeman.